With the variations in our workflow and fluctuating air demand across different service processes, our compressor was experiencing frequent load cycles.
Over comparable period, energy consumption dropped to 278 units. That's a 14% saving, translating to the nearly 600 units saved per week in actual running conditions.
Average power consumption reduced from 11.3 kWh to 10.3 kW per hour, a 10.3% reduction.
Average power consumption dropped from 41.4 kilowatt to 36.7 kilowatt per hour, an 11.4% reduction. This translates to 963 units saved over just 12 days. LG introduced us to their latest innovation, the Demand Match System, intelligent airflow control system that automatically matches compressed air output to the plant's real-time demand.
We see LG not just as a compressed air system provider, but as a technology partner that helps us achieving efficiency, reliability, and sustainability.